Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi there! We have a great family dinner recipe tonight.
That's right, a dinner. You guys are gonna be so psyched with this one.
You really are. Okay, so, I don't know, it was like a year ago, we went on a little weekend away for our anniversary to wine country.
So pretty.
We rode bikes, we had wine, and we had this pasta dish that he couldn't stop eating, which is normally not your thing.
No, it's not. I mean, I usually like, just kind of like meat and veggies, that's why I order at the restaurant. But I love this pasta dish.
You did?
So much. She had to tell me to stop because I kept picking it off her plate.
It's true. You ate almost my whole dinner.
I did.
Tell them what we're making today.
Okay, we're making Campanelle with sausage and pancetta. And it's really not that hard. It's really pretty easy to make. And doesn't take that many ingredients, but it's mwah.
Mwah. All right, our first ingredient, and maybe my favorite, is the pasta. So we went ahead and pre-cooked this because you want it a little undercooked, right?
Yeah. So you want the pasta undercooked so it stays al dente in the dish.
And this pasta is called Campanelle. It kind of looks like a little trumpet flower, and I guess that's what it means, little bell or bellflower.
Yeah, but the reason I like it is because it holds the pasta sauce really good,
It does.
And it's delicious. The first step is we're going to cook the pancetta. Turn to about medium-high heat. Take some olive oil. We'll let that heat up a little bit. Add the pancetta. It's pretty much just little Italian bacon. We're just gonna saute this until it's nice and crispy, which takes about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so this is looking really good. This is getting really crispy. I'm gonna turn off the heat.
Alrighty.
And then we'll take the slotted spoon and hand me that bowl. Carefully try to remove the pancetta, and we'll just we'll set this aside. We'll go ahead and turn the heat back on to medium. And now we'll add the Italian sausage and the onion. Brown this about 5 to 6 minutes. Pretty easy so far.
Pretty easy.
Yeah. You too can have a really fancy pasta dish. It's not that hard, guys.
Not hard.
We're getting close here. This is pretty much brown. Our next step is to add the garlic.
I will add the garlic.
And just kind of pop that in. About a tablespoon at a time with some salt, black pepper. We'll let that saute for about a minute. So next we're gonna add the crushed tomatoes, the roasted red peppers, and the tomato paste. Stir this together.
Okay.
I'm gonna cook it over medium. We'll let this come to a low simmer, a little slight boil, and then we'll turn the heat down to low.
Okay.
And then we'll let it simmer for about 25 minutes to really get the flavor.
Get it all in there.
Yeah. All right, so this is simmered for about 25 minutes and it looks good. See how it's kind of thickened up a little bit? If it gets too thick, we reserve some pasta water. That might thin this just a little bit. Yeah, so it's a little bit more saucy like that.
Nice. All right, so now that it's simmered, we're gonna add some mascarpone cheese.
That's right. This is what makes the dish kind of creamy. And we're just gonna stir this until it's nice and melted and incorporated. Move this off the heat. We'll do the finishing steps. So now we're going to add the pasta.
Okay.
And the next step is we're gonna add the basil and the cooked pancetta that we reserved. All right, and just mix that all together.
Okay.
Now it's the best time we get to try the dish. Oh, yum, babe. It's bringing back memories.
It really is.
There you go. And would you like some pecorino romano cheese?
I would love some.
This is just the perfect topping. There you
Look at
go.
that.
That looks delicious.
Beautiful that is. There we go. I can't. I would do fork drop instead of mic drop, but then I don't want to lose my fork because I want to keep eating. That is so good.
It's really good.
If you do make this, please tag us because we love this recipe. You can go to bakingwithjoshandange.com to find it. Also, you can get our book. You can pre-order it. You can make this.
Yes, great weeknight dinner recipes, good desserts,
side
snacks,
dishes.
whatever you want. It's great.
I'm telling you though, I'm already sensing a second cookbook with this one in it.
You never know.
Cheers,
All right,
babe.
cheers.
All right, thanks for watching.
All right, thanks, guys.
See you next time.
Everyone agrees. Those are the golden unicorn. Is that what you say?
I don't know.
It's very good. You're gonna love it.
I do love it.
I know.
I do. Will you say what kind of spoon that is? Because I hadn't heard of it.
A slotted spoon.
Oh, slotted?
Yeah.
Slotted? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
I thought it was like some fancy spoon. I thought you were saying a slotted spoon. I'm like, oh, well.
Nope.
Yep.
There's nothing fancy with me, babe. You know that.
He talked me into renting an e-bike, and I was really nervous about it because they can be dangerous.
I mean, anything can be dangerous if you use it the wrong way.
Okay, fine, fine, which is what he said to me. I should have worn an apron. But it's date night, you
I
guys.
know, it's date
I dressed
night.
up. I'm very excited for our dinner.